built to give you dependability today, tomorrow, next week, or a year from now. Dependable because of the four-way bridge-type cantilever frame, rigid for comfort, convenience, and safety. Dependable because the Pontiac engine has an abundance of power, smoothness, and economy that never fails to serve. Dependable because of the safest, strongest, and most durable bodies built, the Unisteel body by Fisher. Dependable because of the improved knee action and center point steering, a combination that cushions the chassis and absorbs destructive road bumps and jolts. Dependable because of Pontiac's longer wheelbase, balanced weight, low center of gravity, and for comfort, Fisher no-draft ventilation, gear controlled for greater convenience. Dependable because Pontiac's full pressure metered flow lubrication ensures the correct and adequate amount of oil under pressure for long uninterrupted service. Dependable because of the thousands of extra values Pontiac builds into every car, values that are trustworthy, reliable, and can be depended on to give you extra values in
appearance, comfort,
speed,
economy,
performance,
safety, durability,
all of which makes the Pontiac for 1938 the most completely dependable motor car in the world. Extra value, long life, and dependability result from years of thought, planning, and development. Pontiac engineers pool their knowledge and skill with the General Motors engineering staff, giving double assurance that all that's best of all that's new becomes a part of America's finest low-priced car. Developments exactly tested for proven merit, proved average of over 50,000 satisfied buyers every year since 1934. Since the introduction of the first model in 1926, Pontiac has sold more than 1,400,000 cars, and more than 84% of them are still in daily use. Hundreds of thousands of owners have taken the time and trouble to write to Pontiac, expressing their appreciation and satisfaction in the ownership of Pontiac motor cars. A product of General Motors, built to last 100,000 miles. More than ever, the most beautiful thing on wheels, and above all, the car that outvalues them all.